Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we will be learning about JSON files. So before we get into that, this is my last video on Python tutorials, and then a sneak peek. I'm going to start on discord.py videos, but since that is dead, we're going to learn about Nextcord mostly. But anyways, let's jump into our topic today. So the first thing we need to do is import JSON. So we will learn about writing in the JSON files. So we would so there is in JSON where you can just read from it, but that is not needed since we have learned about arrays. So I'm still going to teach you about it anyway, but I do not recommend you to use it because it just lags everything. But we are going to use JSON for something that we are going to truly use by writing some stuff in it. So let's get started. So let's start using a function. Def function with open. So this is how you open a JSON file with open. You know what? Let's make a JSON file. I almost forgot. Example JSON. And then we are going to put a variable. We're going to put not a variable, an object, aka these two brackets. So let's jump back to main.py and then continue the W since we are writing a file. Then example JSON.json as f. So I'm going to show you two differences. So there is a difference between JSON.load and JSON.dump. So JSON.load is going to be just running the file and making Python just look at it. And JSON.dump is just putting stuff into the JSON file, like writing stuff into it. So let's say, what should we do? So string equal str. Actually, you know what? No, not needed. Input put something random here. And then I'm going to do JSON.dump string and then f. Then I'm going to run it. So it's dump, not dump, and then we have to run our thing, or our function. So let's do this, and then run. Put something random here. So I'm going to actually put something random here and check the file. So as you can see, there's something random. But what if I wanted to put something inside of this? So this is very complicated, guys. And you will learn that in your in your in your tutorial lessons, in your Discord.py tutorials. But anyways, now let's change this to R, then do users equal, actually, you know what, data equal json dot load f brackets parentheses f, and then data equal, I think this is gonna work. I think data equal data. So there's something required. So if we want to actually load it, there has to be something in it. So for example, let's do this and then make some sort of dictionary. Okay, so JSON ex JSON underscore ex. I'm gonna use a list for this, and then I'm just gonna put anything here. What should I put? Toby. Maguire. Andrew Garfield. Tom Holland. So we are done with that. Now ex, actually no, test ex, wait, no, it's JSON ex. Now we will put the name of the thing here, and then, okay, so little mistake, we have to do ex so that we can name this something else instead of just doing data. So you know what, let's use random as well. Import random. So you will learn about these things when we get to the Discord.py tutorials. Now, oh, and by the way, if you have any problems, I'm gonna put my Discord server link so that you guys could join, and then there will be some volunteers that help with the videos and stuff. Anyways, response equal random dot randint, int. So this stands for random integer. Wait, sorry. Sorry guys, I just realized something. It's not actually random. This is for numbers. It's random choice, and then we're going to write this here, EX, and then we're going to try and print it out. Print response. Print response. Let's try it, and then it prints out Tom Maguire, Garfield. You'll know about these stuff when we get to the Discord.py tutorials. So you'll learn about the Json.dump because it's a little hard. It's basically harder than what we've ever learned in this tutorial. But anyways, that's pretty much it, and this is the last video for Python tutorials. So the next video will be about Discord.py tutorials. So I will see you in the next video, and goodbye, fam.